With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Here the question is saying that the ball rolling on the ground possesses, option number first is saying kinetic energy, option number second is saying potential energy, and option number third is saying no energy, and the option number fourth is saying heat energy. First we have to understand about the kinetic energy, then potential energy, then heat energy. So what is kinetic energy? What is kinetic energy? Kinetic energy is due to the motion of the body. Kinetic energy is the energy which is due to the motion of the body, right? And what is potential energy? What is potential energy? Potential energy is the energy, potential energy is the energy which is due to the particular shape, position or place, right? And what is heat energy? What is heat energy? Heat energy is the energy which is due to the hotness of the body, right? And in this question the ball is rolling on the ground, so we can say that the ball is in the motion. So due to the motion, which energy is possesses? Due to the motion, the kinetic energy is possesses. So we can say that the ball rolling on the ground possesses kinetic energy. So option number first is the right answer. So our answer is kinetic energy, which is option first, right?
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.